Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. What we're looking at today is Apple, all right? So there's a couple things that are getting my attention on Apple. Nothing yet 100% definitive, but I want to share with you my thought process here. So obviously the first thing when you look at Apple's daily chart is that it strikes you how kind of extended it is, right? I mean, Apple was making a base around $75, $80 right here, and now it's at $120 or just shy of 120. So you know the price of Apple is basically up 50% in 2014. That's a monumental move considering the market cap size. So that's the first thing that strikes you. But by itself, that does not make the decision whether or not it's going to fall. What you need to do is you need to look at the short term, meaning the last few days. And what you're trying to do here is find a top over here. Now, right here you had an extended move, but then look at what happened right here. You made a bull flag. All right, so that told you it was going to go higher. Well, now you're starting to create something new here that I want to share with you. And again, what you saw here was you've seen red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, so that's the first thing that gets my attention on this chart. The reason why that gets attention to me is because it shows inability for it to string two back-to-back up days together. Well, what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that there are sellers emerging. So it pops up, sellers come out. Pops up a little bit more, sellers come out. As opposed to over here, where it was just green, 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 there were not enough sellers to keep the stock price down. So this right here tells you it's beginning to lose a little of its luster. Not enough to necessarily tell you it's topping out, but enough to get you on alert. All right, so you got it up 50% in 2014. Now you're doing red, green, which is showing some signal that it's tiring out. Then also what you want to pay attention to here is you had this green candle and then a gap up, a little bit of a tail touching the even number or kissing the even number of 120, and then a little bit of a reversal. Now, what I watch for on this type of reversal candle is whether or not it can take out the high right here of that day. On Wednesday, before Thanksgiving, we saw a little bit of a green candle, but it didn't take out the high. Today we opened higher and are now seeing a little bit of selling. So again, we're very close. I'd say we're within a day or so of a potential, and I say potential because it may change its form, but you want to see if you're forming a little bit of a top right in this range. 120 even number kiss. You got a potential reversal candle. You got red, green candles forming and an up 50% chart in 2014. All right, I would say it's very close to a top. I'm just waiting for that sell signal again to take a position on the short side as a swing trade. All right, so again, folks, watch very closely here on Apple AAPL. If you're looking for the exact sell signal, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. And again, we're going to guide you through this market no matter what happens here. And again, up or down, we can find ways to make money. That's the beauty of this market. Take care and come join us again at InTheMoneyStocks.com.